In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Stripe from your GoHighLevel agency account. Before we jump into the clicks, it's important to understand what this actually means. Disconnecting Stripe will remove the connection between your payment processor and your GoHighLevel agency. After you do this, you won't be able to process payments through that Stripe account inside GoHighLevel until you reconnect or connect a different Stripe account. So make sure you've handled any active subscriptions, pending payments, or invoices before you proceed. Let's start inside your GoHighLevel account. First, switch over to Agency View. If you're currently looking at a specific location or sub-account, you'll want to move up to the main agency level. You can usually do this by clicking on your account selector at the top of the screen and choosing the agency option. This is important because Stripe connections for billing and payments are controlled at the agency level, not at the individual location level. Once you're in Agency View, look for the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on Settings. This opens up a page where you can manage all kinds of configuration options for your agency, including team members, profiles, and integrations. Inside the Settings area, find and click on the Stripe section. It might be listed directly as Stripe or under a broader integrations or payments category, but usually it's clearly labeled. When you click on Stripe, you'll be taken to the page that shows the status of your Stripe connection. On this page, you'll either see that you're not connected yet, or you'll see details about the Stripe account that's currently linked. If you are already connected, there will be a disconnect button available on this screen. That's the control you're looking for. Click the disconnect button to start the process of removing the Stripe connection from your GoHighLevel agency account. After you click disconnect, simply follow the on-screen prompts. GoHighLevel may ask you to confirm that you really want to disconnect, and it might show you a reminder that payments and billing features tied to that Stripe account will stop working. Read any messages carefully, confirm your choice, and allow the system a moment to update. Once the prompts are complete, your Stripe account will be disconnected from your GoHighLevel agency, and you can reconnect a different Stripe account later if needed.